Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Ann. I know I promised to drop a lot of videos on investments, but before I do that, I want us to understand this one thing because this is very crucial. If you truly want to create wealth this year 2025, you must develop a wealth mindset. What is this wealth mindset? It is very simple. It is understanding the primary purpose of money. The primary purpose of money is not to spend money or to pay bills, please. The primary purpose of money is to create more money. Your wages, paycheck, salary, or any income you earn, its first purpose is not to buy things or pay bill, please. Its first purpose is to multiply and generate more money. Once you start thinking like this, trust me, your financial decisions will change. So, before we talk about investments, let's shift our mindset first. Stay tuned to this channel because in my next video, I will show you how to put this mindset into action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification buttons for more updates. Thank you.